Okay, so I could wait no longer. I had to try this fruit roll-up and ice cream trend that I saw on TikTok. And yes, I did go to the store in Crocs and sweatpants, but Ashley and I were on a mission and we did pick Haagen-Dazs because we are not skimping on this experience. Really, we weren't. We spent like $25. It was shameful, but we got the goods and then we headed back home because apparently all you have to do is put ice cream inside a fruit roll-up and it makes it like hard and crunchy. And apparently it's very satisfying and very good. So that's what we set out to do. I was very excited, as you can see here, but I unrolled my fruit roll-up. We did a Jolly Rancher kind too. That's what Ashley's showing you there. We bought regular and Jolly Rancher so we could try both, and we got strawberry ice cream and vanilla ice cream so we could, also try both. So then you just wrap it up once you put a little bit inside, and immediately it started to get hard, so I was excited to hear that crunch. When I tell you I was shocked.
Oh, that was satisfying.
Happy dances ensued because it was better than we expected.
Listen.
And there you go. Absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10.